Welcome to the universe. I've been sent here to give you some direction, some instruction, how to navigate this world. Maybe you've been fumbling around and haven't read the directions on this game. The number one tool that you have in your tool chest is awareness. Awareness. What is awareness? The observation of. You can check in with yourself and ask yourself, am I aware? Just do it in your mind. Am I aware? Appears to be. Am I aware that I am aware? Yeah, I'm aware that I'm aware. That's baseline right there. You exist, you are aware, and you have consciousness of this experience. That's actually the best place that you can be, is right there. When you ask yourself, am I aware? And you search for the awareness, that's when you find your being. That's when you find the connection to source. Because anything beyond that, outside of the silence, outside of the knowingness, outside of the awareness, is outward direction, focus on objects. And right then we get lost. Right then we got thoughts coming, we have labels, we have distraction, we have pleasure, pain, suffering, elation, satisfaction, disappointment, all the dualities of this outside world. And that's when suffering ensues, because we want more of this and we don't want that. We want to hold on to what we have and we want to push away what we don't want. And that's just being a human, and once you realize that and you recognize it in real time while it's happening, and instead of pushing away experiences that you don't want and clinging to experiences that you do want, you just let it all happen. You just let it all happen. And you get your thought trains running in the right direction, towards positivity, towards creation, towards love, towards generosity, compassion, empathy. All those things come back to you like boomerangs. Now, if you had thought trains running the other way, towards judgment, towards what I was talking about, clinging to pleasure, pushing away pain, suppressing, escaping, negativity, those kind of thoughts, then there will be an adjustment period when you download these instructions and you start realizing what's happening and you start canceling those thoughts and redirecting them to the other way. Thought trains going in the positive direction. But thank God you're seeing this video, because that means that in divine timing, you're becoming awake. You're waking up to the awareness that you are. Even the body that you're in is less than the awareness that you have. All the objects of this world, the body, the mind, the thoughts, the ground, the earth, the people, they're all objects in this experience. And if you just bring it back to basics, the awareness of those objects, then everything is one. Science is proving this. Science is proving this. What are our bodies made of? Atoms, neutrons, electrons, molecules of some sort. What does the earth create? What is the earth made of? What is steel made of? What is ground made of? Grass, atoms, neutrons, electrons, molecules of some sort. We have trillions of cells in our body being held together by some magical force. And inside those cells there's atoms, and inside those atoms there's electrons, and inside those electrons there's quarks and leptons and bosons, and thousands of trillions of those things just vibrating and circulating in orbits. And then so that's all in each cell of your body. So then if we go out to the cosmos, this so starry tonight, so beautiful out. We go out to the cosmos, we have the same thing happening. Orbits, thousands of trillions of little cells and interactions and divisions and explosions, and our bodies are universes. And we live inside a universe. Pretty amazing. And tomorrow the sun's gonna come up. I'm actually still alive right now because the sun exists. If the sun didn't exist, all life on Earth would be expired in in a matter of hours. So thank God the sun's coming up tomorrow. And it's still heating the Earth right now because it's like 65 degrees out. You have choices in this game. You have choices, and you can choose what you like and what you don't like, and you can be okay with everything. And if something happens in front of you and you say, I don't like that, you will not feel good about it. So therefore you are choosing to not feel good. You can be neutral about it and know that you can't control everything. You can't control the things on the outside of you. You can also choose to love things. So that's another tool for you to use. Neutrality, loving and disliking. What a privilege. So if you have the choice to like or dislike, why not just choose to like things? You can choose your location. You can move. You can choose your attitude. You can choose who you hang out with, what you eat, Alright, I'm gonna call it a night. I'm at 10 minutes. I'm gonna finish my walk. And when you don't know what to do, just focus on your breath.